Would you like to tell us your name?
Rebecca.
Thank you, Rebecca. Would you like to do a special bird catching glove on your left hand, please? Now, Rebecca, I've seen what's coming up next. Dive out of here.
That's alright, you don't need to worry because all we're going to do is play a little baby bird jig glove. You alright with that? Yeah, alright. What I'm going to get you to do, you want to stand up on this step here for me? Right, now turn around and face me. Perfect. Now, our little baby bird's going to land right here. You're going to get a very nice close look. Alright, now what we're going to do is if you turn around and have a look at that garden over there, you'll be able to see our beautiful little baby bird, Angus. Now, I did say it was a little baby bird, didn't I? You know, I always forget to mention that these guys are one of the largest owls we have here in Australia, so he's about that size when he leaves the nest. You ready to have a close look? Yeah, you look like you're ready. Alright, let's do this again. Come over. Wait for him to look. You ready, Angus?
Watch.
Spin you around so we can get a really nice photo for you. You have to do it small, but you're doing a wonderful job at doing that. Alright, now all we're going to have to do, looks like you're going to be famous for paparazzi here. There is one thing we do want you to do for us though, okay? Is if we point Angus to a stage, I need you to help me send him home. Alright, so what you need to do is yell out in the top of your lungs, goodbye Angus. Ready? Thank you so much for helping me out today. I appreciate everything that you do. Thank you.